Hello, and welcome to the Duality demonstration. In this demo, we'll explore how two institutions can securely collaborate to create an optimized custom risk score model for a specific financial institution. Here is the use case we're about to cover. A financial institution, like a bank, needs an accurate risk score on a client to make informed lending decisions. Typically, they rely on their favorite risk score provider. But the challenge they have with small businesses is that these scores can lack sufficient financial information, leading to generic and potentially inaccurate risk assessments. Imagine if the financial institution could securely share client data with a credit score provider without exposing sensitive information. This would allow for a tailored risk score that better reflects the client's profile. So let's see how Duality enables this use case. In our scenario, we have two participants, a risk score provider and a financial institution. Upon logging into Duality as an admin, I can see these participants, each assigned relevant roles, configurable and managed by the admin. Here, the financial institution holds the roles of initiator, analyzing party, and asset owner, while the model provider is designated as the asset owner with the compute role. Switching to the model provider's view, I navigate to the AI Risk Score project. Under this project, I've already associated the risk score workload, which includes a Python-based workload and a model file configured on the provider's side. Now, let's look from the financial institution's view. The steps are simple. I register my data and run the credit score workload. To register, I head to the data page, name the dataset, add credentials, and include the script name. In this example, I'm registering a CSV file with client transaction data stored in a GCP bucket. Next, I run the workload with my data by going to the session page. I start a session, name it, select the workload, and add a JSON file containing my data ID and the specific model details. Then, I run it. I can see the status has changed to running. Switching to the model provider again, I can also see the session is running, but I don't have access to any sensitive data. I do know how much time it runs, which is an info I may need for pricing. Back on the financial institution side, I can review the results. By clicking on the results, I open the GCP bucket where it's stored, and then I can view the credit score result. Here it is. That's it. That's all I need to do in order to get a custom risk model. To summarize, as a financial institution, I now have a way to input my client's data into a model score while keeping it fully protected and receive a more accurate custom score instead of a generic one. As a model provider, I now have the option to offer my clients a custom model while protecting my IP and my customers' client data. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the demonstration.